What is going on, investors? Welcome back to the Daily Stock Drop, your number one source for the hottest market news served fresh every single day. If you're watching this, you need to pull up the charts right now because we have a massive acquisition story breaking in the AI and tech sector. Datavault AI Inc., ticker symbol DVLT, just dropped a bombshell announcement that could completely change how they play the game in 2026. They are officially entering the live events arena. And if you're holding shares or watching this stock, you need to hear the details. But before we dive into the numbers and the strategy, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who loves the markets. Everything in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. All right, let's get into the meat of it. Today, Datavault AI announced they have officially completed the acquisition of API Media Innovation Incorporated. Now, if you've never heard of API Media, don't worry, here's the lowdown. They are a New Jersey-based heavy hitter in media infrastructure and event technology. We're talking about the audio and visual tech that powers major sports venues and massive outdoor live events. According to the latest reports, this was an all-cash deal valued at $14 million. That is a serious commitment of capital, and it tells us that Datavault isn't just dipping a toe in, they are diving headfirst into the experiential market. So, why should you, the investor, care about this? Why does a company focused on AI and data tokenization want a live events company? Here is the investor angle. Data monetization. Datavault's CEO, Nathaniel Bradley, stated that this move is a decisive step to scale their proprietary data ecosystem. Think about it. Live sporting events and concerts are some of the most data-rich environments on the planet. You have thousands of people engaging with screens, apps, and digital entry points. By acquiring API Media, Datavault isn't just buying screens and speakers, they are buying access. They plan to integrate their AI and blockchain-based data tech into these venues. This could allow them to tokenize audience data, create new revenue streams from advertising, and offer AI as a service to these massive enterprise clients. For the bulls, this is a growth story. It expands Datavault's footprint from purely digital spaces into the real world, what we call real-world assets, or RWA. It also brings in API Media's established revenue and client base, which could help stabilize Datavault's cash flow moving forward. However, keep an eye on the integration. Mergers are tricky, and the market will be watching closely to see if they can actually squeeze that extra value out of API's existing contracts. But one thing is for sure, Datavault is aggressive, and they are expanding. I want to know what you think. Is this acquisition a game changer for DVLT? Are you buying the dip or waiting for the dust to settle? Let me know in the comments down below. If you got value out of this update, smash that like button. It really helps the channel, and hit subscribe so you never miss the next daily stock drop. I'll catch you in the next one.